boys and girls, we're getting ready to talk about another shape today. Today we're going to talk about the cylinder. Looks like a soda can, or a potato chip can, or a pole. So to get warmed up, we're going to be listening to a song about our 3D shapes.
Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A baseball, the moon, and an orange I have right here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere. A basketball, the earth, and marbles I have here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A soda can, a pencil shot, and a can of soup would be examples of a cylinder, as you can plainly see. A marker, a glass of milk, and a peanut butter jar are all examples of a cylinder. Yes, I'm sure they are. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. An ice cube, a cardboard box, and a Christmas present for you are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cube. My little dice, a Rubik's Cube, and a block that I use are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cube. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. An ice cream cone, a pencil tip, and a megaphone are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cone. A birthday hat, a nail, or a funnel in my home are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cone. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone.
Alright, boys and girls, we are ready to work with our cylinders now. So I've got my shapes out. Let's review them first. There's a sphere. Here's our cylinder, the one we're talking about today. Here is our cube. And here is our cone. Alright, so my page says cylinder, not a cylinder. Alright, so we already know this one is the cylinder. It is shaped like a can. Is this a cylinder? No, it is a sphere. Is this a cylinder? No, we said it is a cube. What about this one? This is our cone. So cylinder, not a cylinder. All right, let's turn our page and learn some more about a cylinder. All right, put your finger on the red apple. Here's our cylinder. Has two flat surfaces and the rest is curved. All right, the directions say look at the cylinder. Circle the words that describe a cylinder. Well, we've got the phrase flat surface or curved surface. Boys and girls, we need to circle both of them today. Because a cylinder has two flat surfaces and then the rest is curved. So it can stack, but it can also roll. All right, so circle both those phrases. Flat surface, curved surface. Put your finger on the yellow sun. How many flat surfaces does a cylinder have? 1, 2. One at the top, one at the bottom. It has two flat surfaces. And then it is curved all the way around. All right, turn your paper over and we've got that toy shelf just like we have every other day this week. We're going to look at the objects on each shelf. We're going to put an X on the ones that are shaped like a cylinder. Let's start on the top shelf. All right, boys and girls, we have a can of tuna, a basketball, and a cube. Which one is shaped like a cylinder? The tuna. It's not as tall as this one. It would probably only be about this tall. It's a short cylinder, but it still has two flat surfaces and is curved. It's just a short cylinder. On the next row, we have a container of tennis balls, a box, and that looks like a candle, but it is shaped like a pyramid. So which one is the cylinder? Not this one. We just said it's a pyramid. We know a box is shaped like a cube, so it is the can of tennis balls, shaped just like this cylinder. On the bottom row, looks like we have some fruit. A container, looks like a can, looks like it's made out of cardboard, but it is shaped still like a can. And a megaphone that you might yell out of. Which one is shaped like the cylinder? This can. It has two flat surfaces and the rest is curved. This is a sphere. This is a cone. All right, boys and girls, turn to your back page. Put your finger on the red apple. You have a riddle. I have two flat surfaces. What shape am I? Yes, it is a cylinder. Two flat surfaces and curved all the way around is a cylinder. This shape is the sphere. Looks like a ball. Down by the yellow sun, they want you to draw to show what you know about a real object shaped like a cylinder. So you need to look around your house. See if you can find something shaped like a cylinder and draw a picture of it. You can also label it or write the word or the name of it down here. A real object in your house shaped like a cylinder. All right, boys and girls, great work today. Send me a message or call me if you have a question or need any help.